everybody, it's Carla, and pardon me, I am here for a quick unmolding of some holiday-ish kind of earrings, and also to remind everybody that we hit the 500 mark for subscribers and doing a $25 Amazon gift card giveaway. So go through this real quick, and then I'm going to give you the details again. I know when I did the video yesterday, I first said 20, and then I said 25. So we're going to do 25. I can make that work. I will make it work. Okay, so let's first just this little unmoldings here. Yeah, make you hang out with me for a few minutes. I promise it won't be long. I promise. Well, I don't. And this is just a heart that I did. I just broke my heart. It's a heart that I did with the copper from Let's Resin and some chrome powder red on there. This stuff is very warm still. Oh, yeah. So it's just a nice giant-sized heart, and yeah. That's it. That's what it is. Let me see. Let me try to get the light. I think that might be better. Less glare. I don't have all the lights on. I just wanted to hurry. I was just like, I got to come in here and make sure my microphone is on. Okay, and this is just like a little weird, scruffy little heart. Gotta do hearts, because hearts are for love. Okay, so here goes the weird earrings. I don't know what they're gonna be like. Oh, okay. I want them to be kind of festive. Got a couple of little things in there. So that's gold, and I think I used the Let's Resin chameleon red on that. I don't see it changing color, but then again, it doesn't have black behind it. It has white. I think that's actually pretty cute. It's a pretty cute earring, and from the back, it's just simple. From the front, that's really pretty cute. I think I like that. Okay, let's see this one. Should be the other one. All right. I think I like these. I got to get that stuff off of there, but I will. I think those are cute holiday earrings. Oh, I like them. I think that they're glittery and they're cute. That little blue heart's ugly. I don't like it. It's not ugly. It's weird. Okay, here we go. Let's see what these turned out like. The second I saw this, the thing that came to my mind was, he's a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Oh my God. This is so anti-holiday. Green. It's like Grinch. Those are Grinch earrings. I don't think I like them at all. I mean, I do see a little black glitter. Oh my goodness gracious, people. Sometimes we get an idea. I filled this with black glitter. That's what I put on the inside of it. And it just made it look like I got ran over by the reindeers in the sleigh. Looks like tire tracks. Oh, ho, ho. I don't even want to look at these now. Now I'm scared. Now I'm really scared. Anyway, we're going to talk about the good thing, the fun thing. Okay, these are fun. Oh, that's okay. Those are fun. I like those. It's got the chameleon blue, and chrome red, and it's got chrome gold and some white, and this one I like. I think this one's cute. And it's got some silver. It's got some little noogies. But overall, these are pretty good for, yeah, I think this one too. Let me get the little noogies off of here. I think these are really cute. I think those are actually really cute little earrings. Or saws, like the pit and the pendulum. Okay, we're gonna not squirrel away. Start talking about Edgar Allan Poe. Let's see what this came out like. So far we have 2 okay, 1 oh no way, and ooh, ooh. Now these are cute. Wow. Oh wow, these are really cute. Wow, these are really, really cute. See if I can get this to show up. Those are cute. Wow. I like those a lot. I mean, I really like those a lot. And the back of them are really cute too. You see all the like bright colors in there and the glitter. So if they turn sideways, it's okay. Yeah, I like those. I really like those. Those are cute. All right, last pair, and then we'll talk about. Now, these don't look that bad in the monitor. So these might be a pair that would kind of grow on you. Hopefully not like in a fungus kind of way. Come on, come out. These are just about as nonchalant boring as boring can be. Okay. They're good. They're just they're actually cute when you look at the, because it's chameleon colors and chrome colors, and they are changing, you know, like getting darker and lighter when I move them. I don't know. It's a lot of those are actually cute. They're very simple, but those are cute. Yeah. So I like these. I like these. This, I don't know, maybe this is growing on me. I don't know. When I first looked at it, I kept thinking festive. All I could think of was the Grinch. I just literally, very first thought in my mind was, I've made Grinch earrings. And not in a cute way. Okay, so here we go. These, I had saved the details that I had written yesterday, but then I got resin all over them. Okay, hold on, let me, I got to take a picture. A lovely thumbnail. Ugh. My least favorite part of doing this, actually, these are really cute. Ooh. Those are really cute. Colors on these are just adorable. I'm gonna move you over here, move you over here, move you here. And okay. All right. I'm going to. Oop. Ooh, this is still warm. That's great. Oh, it feels good. All right, let's see if this is a big enough writing. The 500 giveaway. Nope. Oh my God. Okay, I found it. This is the pen I was looking for. Okay, so it's the 500 sub giveaway. And in order to win a $25 USA money, doesn't matter if you're in another country, if I can get you the $25 USA without spending more money, it's yours. I give it to you. Amazon card. Amazon gift card. Okay. So, in order to win, you have to be subscribed to this channel. To me. That's right, to me. It's faster. Y'all know what I mean. You have to be subscribed, because if you're not subscribed, the picker thing doesn't pick you, and that's one of the requirements. You must be subscribed. Here's the next important one. In the comments, you're going to need to leave the words, 2 separate words. It doesn't matter how you spell it. No, it absolutely matters how you spell it. Yeah, you can just spell it any way you want. You have to spell it like this. Make sure I'm saying the same thing I said yesterday. Only love. Only love. That's the phrase. 2 words. You don't have to put commas, periods, anything. Just in the comments. Okay, so only love in comment. Underneath a video that is posted between, the dates on this are going to be 11/17, because I posted the video yesterday, 23, and then whatever videos come out until 11/26, which is a week from Sunday, and 23. So a comment in one of the videos between this date, between here, okay? And what else? Yesterday I said that it was one of the requirements is that you love me. What did I just hear fall down? Do 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 do. Have to love me. And also, I did put it down that was optional. But it doesn't hurt, because I love you guys. And why do I keep hearing noises? I'm literally in my studio, which is 10 by 15, everything included. Everything. And I keep hearing noises. Okay. So anyway, there we go. So this is my giveaway, and I wish I could do more than the 25. Hopefully, when we hit the 1,000, hopefully that will be soon, and then I will do the $100 giveaway. But most important thing, y'all, 2 things have to be completed. You have to be subscribed in order to qualify. Subscribe to me, to my channel, Crafting with Carla. And you have to have this. And you can leave a comment, or you can just simply, in the comments, just put only love. You don't have to put anything else, okay? Even though I love to hear from you guys. You're just like the sweetest people ever. All right, so that was it. That took 15 minutes. I was thinking I could do a 5-minute. Get this done, get it done, da, da, da. Okay, y'all. I hope that you are having a wonderful weekend, or a wonderful time of your life whenever you see this video. Hopefully you see it before next Sunday, so you can get in on the chance to get a $25 Amazon gift card. You could use that to buy somebody, probably yourself, like a little gift. I got glitter and ink on me. So, I love you guys. Take care of yourselves. I will see you real soon in another video, real soon, and get that little camera set up so you can see what I look like. But I have to wash my hair first. So, anyway, I love you guys. I hope you like the earrings. I think that they're really, really cute. I don't know, maybe I should give a couple of pairs away as like second, third, and fourth prizes, that kind of thing. Maybe I'll do that if anybody is interested. I got a lot of stuff to find homes for. I love you guys. See you soon. Real soon. Be nice to everybody. Be kind to everybody, including yourself. And good luck.